Welcome back, friends. As you know that we are stylizing these categories, so I come back to my code editor. This is the page category underscore name underscore style.css, and in previous video I wrote this code, called these classes, and now I shall stylize them. Background dash color, column hash triple F, semicolon to close, position absolute, left -1 pixel, Z index 10, display none, width 0, border 1 pixel hash 6 times D solid, box sizing border box, border dash radius 0 from top, 3 pixel from right, 3 pixel from bottom, and 3 pixel from left. Dot main dash cat dash list greater than li dot menu dash content space ul. I would like to show you this classes also. This ul is inside this ul, which is inside this menu dash content. Display inline block, vertical align top, padding 0 from top and 11 pixel from right, box sizing border dash box, border dash box, now I call this class again dot main dash cat dash list greater than li space that menu dash content ul column first child. Then what will be the first child of this ul? You stylize this one. Border right 1 pixel space hash 6 times D solid, the same class dot main dash cat dash list greater than li menu dash content li, sorry, dot menu dash content, these are li's, line height 16 pixel, display block, white space no wrap. I have already explained you about white space no wrap. Text line left, maximum width max width 240 pixel, overflow hidden. Dot main cat dash list li space dot menu dash content li column first dash child anchor, the first child anchor. So friend, its meaning is the first anchor or first li. I show you this is the first li and it is first anchor. Only this style will be applied or it is first anchor tag. Color hash 00698C. Display block. Padding 10 pixel from top, 15 pixel from right, 0 from bottom and 0 from left. Overflow hidden. White space, no wrap. Text overflow, ellipses. Friend, I would like to explain you this its property and its style. Text overflow ellipses. Actually, there are two its properties. One is clip and one is ellipses. Clip only deducts, cuts the data in which is inside the box, and ellipses put the dot dot sign. This kind of dot dot sign, it will automatically wrote there. I would like to show you this example. So if I take you to here, so these two divs, you can see that this is text overflow clip, and in this box it is cutting wi, and in this box it has putting the dot 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 sign. So this is the ellipsis. Due to this one ellipsis, it is property and style. So now I come back here and I refresh this page. So friend, now all these are showing, categories are showing in this way, but I think there is some mistake. So I come back and see, yes, I have done little mistake. Actually it is the padding top only 0, and I have given this class to next one. So I copy this class, all these classes just I copied and I paste right above them, and now here I put double curly brackets and I write here padding top 0 semicolon, and here I change some amendment in this class. It is not the first child, it is the actually li and the remaining anchor. This class was was given, this style which was given to only this first anchor, but all these the remaining anchors have this one. All these remaining anchors tags have this style. So now I press Ctrl S to save and I come back and I refresh this. So it is not showing any difference here, but when I will stylize them completely, then the difference will begin to show. So it does not matter. I come back and I begin my work again. Dot main dash cat dash list greater than li space dot menu dash content count li a hover. So what style will be applied when anybody will bring cursor over these categories? Text decoration underline. Main cat dash list, main category list greater than li anchor. All the anchors this one, which is inside the main cat list. You can see here. Font weight 400. Color hash 6 times 5. Dot main dash cat dash list li anchor hover. Text decoration none. Dot main dash cat dash list greater than li hover. I have duplicated it, and the active first li, which is active. So what will be this first active li hover style? Border when 1 pixel hash 6 times d solid. Color hash 20698C. Box dash shadow. 0 from top, 1 pixel from right, 3 pixel from bottom, and 0 from. This is the color hash 6 times d. 0 from left, the last 0 is left. Dot main dash cat dash list greater than li hover greater than anchor. Hash 2069C. Dot main cat list li hover dot menu dash content. So now I am writing the hover style for all these classes. Hover means when any customer will bring his cursor over these categories. Display block with auto. So now I go to my browser and I refresh this page. So friend, now you can see that their color have been changed to black, but when I bring my cursor over here, the cursor changes to hand sign and all these categories are showing in this way, but not same like this way. It means there are some problems here too. I come back. So friend, I see the mistakes. One mistake is here. Padding, actually this is that I show you dot main dash cat dash list greater than li space dot menu dash content. So here I have added this padding, 15 pixel from top and 0 from right. So now I come here and I refresh this page. So if I come here, now you can see that there is a space among all these subcategories. Otherwise this space is not there, but everything is not okay still. I come above. So this is line height. I correct it. Dot menu dash cat dash list greater than lia. I am going to write code here. Is not the 14 pixel, 28 pixel, and height 30 pixel. Now I come here and I refresh this page. So now you can see that these categories are showing same this way in this